I recently bought the Manfrotto friction arm, and when it showed up, I could hear that it was rattling around. It wasn't put together in the box. And in fact, I think it had come apart in the box. So I returned it thinking that I would get another one because the one that I got was actually scratched up by all the pieces that were floating around inside there. The next one that I got, it was all falling apart also. So I ended up just deciding to keep that one and just trying to figure out how to put it together. But I found that there weren't very many articles or much information about how to do that, so I ended up having to kind of figure it out for myself. Obviously, I didn't want to mess it up because these things are designed to hold, expensive cameras. The last thing I would want is for my Fuji X-T20 to come crashing down to the ground after I just spent $1,000 on it. So that's the reason why I wanted to figure out how to do it the right way. I ended up watching a couple videos where people were working with a Manfrotto friction arm. When somebody zoomed in on it, I ended up taking a screenshot of that so I could see the stacking order of those bearings and ended up figuring out the right order. So here's what I came up with. Here's how to put back together the Manfrotto friction arm. So I saw from other people's unboxing videos that this pull tab right here was supposed to hold on to a bunch of different washers right here. They were supposed to be all in sequence, and this pull tab was supposed to hold them all together, but apparently this is what fell off. So as you can see from the screenshot, the main thing is to first get this big washer on, and that one goes down first. And then the next thing is basically to pinch this bearing washer right here together in between these two washers. And you can see that they have these bearing races, these places that are carved out for the bearings to fit inside of them. So you just take this, as far as I can tell, this is double-sided, so you just put down one side, cap it off with the other one, just like it shows in that screenshot, and then put those down on top of that big washer. That's what it looks like right there. And then from there you're ready to put on the handle, which just threads on. And there it is, put back together, ready to hold your nice new camera.